In Hebrew without nikudot, you usually do get a yud in there that often gives you a clue that the preceding vowel was either a chirik or a tzere. We have rashat, which is tinet. Let's review now all the different words we can get based on that shoresh.
Reshet.
Nice. And the A sound is 2 dots underneath the consonant. So we have which shoresh represented in line 9?
Baraka.
Very good, barach. If you find the tav, the beginning of a verb, of a shoresh, one of our 3-letter shoreshes, shorshim, it means the future tense, you shall. Together all, pikudehem.
Pekudehem.
Together all, limate.
Limate.